Hello friends, welcome to the official series of BFM. As you know, in official series we are covering all the subjects ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all of them, all the compulsory ones. We are covering the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything as such. So follow the complete series, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon. Very important topics are taken. Today I will be taking one theory topic regarding Basel, which is a part of this, and one treasury numerical, which is a part of the products. So follow it completely, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Okay, let's move on. Which among the following is correct as per Basel 3? Which among the following is correct as per Basel 3? Total risk weighted asset equals to risk weighted asset for credit risk plus 12.5 into capital risk required for market risk plus 12.5 into capital risk required for operational risk. B. Total risk weighted asset equals to same. First is same. No, changed. RWA for market risk plus 12.5 into capital requirement for credit plus 12.5 into capital requirement for operational risk. Total RWA C now. Total RWA equals to risk weighted asset for credit risk plus 12.5 into capital requirement for credit risk. See, both are credit over here. Plus 12.5 into capital requirement for market risk. Third, total risk weighted asset equals to risk weighted asset for credit risk plus 12.5 to capital requirement for market risk plus 12.5 to capital requirement for credit risk. So, which one is true? C and D are similar ones, isn't it? Only here they have interchanged. Obviously, C and D are not the answers. See, very frankly, C and D are not the answer. The answer is between A and B. Risk weighted asset for credit risk plus 12.5 into capital requirement for market risk plus 12.5 into this operations risk. Similarly, over here, market, credit and ops. Answer is between these two only, A and B. So now, which one is correct over here? So the answer as per the Basel, see, it's given as per the Basel. As per the Basel, this is the correct answer, A. Always remember, RWA for credit risk will be given to you in exam. Credit risk will be given to you in exam. Because that is easy to calculate, that's why it is a standard one. Capital risk for market risk, capital requirement. So RWA for market risk is never known. That you will have to calculate. Similarly for ops risk, you will have to calculate. So as per Basel, this is very correct. Many of you learn this formula, isn't it? But I'll tell you what is the reason, logic behind this formula. Why this 12.5? Why not 13.5? Why not 11.5? 12.5 means if you divide, see what is the basic CRAR requirement as per Basel without buffer, CCB buffer. In the comment section, everyone. What is the CRAR requirement as per Basel 3 without CCB? It is 8%, isn't it? Right? Comment section, everyone is typing. Let me see. 8%. Right? So it is 8%. So just divide 100 by 8. 100 by 8. Divide it. What will you get? Let's see. 12 8 is 96. And there's 4 remaining. Half. So 12.5. Right? So 8, 12.5 is 100. So from there you get this 12.5. 100 divided by 8. 100 divided by 8 equals to 12.5. You get this. But now there's a catch over here. What is the catch? See, we are covering theory also. That's why. Otherwise, I'll just take the answer and move ahead. We have to cover the theory also, so that you need to understand the concept. Why this? So the point over here is, if you check as per RBI norms, this 12.5 will be wrong. Why? Because as per RBI norms, you have to divide this by not 8, you have to divide this by 9 without buffer. Without buffer, you have to divide it by 9. So 100 upon 9 it is. So it will be different. 9 11s are 99. 11 point something it will be. It won't be 12.5 as per RBI. But RBI even says, see, even Basel III says, you have to add the CCB. Even RBI has made it compulsory. So actually, your CRAR requirement is not 9% now. It is 11.5%, 9 plus 2, 2.5. So this CCB of 2.5% has to be added. Kindly note, there are two buffers as per Basel III. One is capital conservation buffer, that is 2.5, that is to be compulsorily added. So 9 plus 2.5%. Plus there is a second one, counter-cyclical capital conservation buffer, CCCB. So that has to be added, CCCB has to be added by RBI. Bank doesn't add it. RBI will put it to the banks that, see, from next year, see, 4 quarters it has to give the, RBI has to give the notice to you as a bank. All this is there in your BFM. All this, every part, whatever I am speaking is there in your book, in your BFM. I take the same in the paid classes. Join them myself. Wherever possible, join it. Okay? So now, actually as per RBI, you should divide this by 9 or even 11.5 now, not even 9. You should divide it by 11.5. Okay? Because that is a new CRAR. So, if it comes the question of Basel, then it is 8. That is 12.5. 12.5 is correct. Okay? Next one. Read this. This is a bit difficult numerical. A bit difficult. Treasury is planning to invest in a scheme in which it has to deposit 18,250 now, for which in return the Treasury would receive rupees 5,000 at the year end for the next 5 years. For the next 5 years. Advise the Treasury officer concerning the investment in the scheme on the basis of the required rate of return. So you have to answer to that person on the basis of required rate of return. So this Treasury is investing how much now? 18,250 it is investing. How much will it be getting? 5,000 at the end of each year for the next 5 years. So next 5 years, 5,000 into 5, 25,000 I will be getting. But what about this? Means what should I do? Means should I invest it or should I not invest it? What do you say? Think over it, everyone. Should I invest it or should I not invest it? Let me see. Comments. I'll give you 1 minute to solve this. Hardly 1 minute. Yes? Chalo, let's solve it. Okay? I've already solved this. See this. Firstly, this question is of what? It is investing in something, 18 to 50. Okay? And what is it getting? 5,000 at the end of each year. End means ordinary annuity. It is getting 5,000 at the end of each year for 5 years. So if you use the formula C into 1 plus R raised to n minus 1 upon R into 1 plus R raised to n. Okay? You should use this formula. Now the R is not given over here. Okay? Now we'll have to check this. See, this is very difficult one, to be frank. First, you'll have to check it at 10%. R equals to 10%. So put R equals to 10% and then check it. So now, right now you have invested 18 to 50 and the present value of all the returns which you are getting, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 for 5 years. The present value of the returns should be more than 18 to 50. Then only you can accept it. So first try it with R equals to 10%. So P equals to, means present value equals to C into 5,000 into whatever I am investing per year into 1 plus R. R is 10%. 10% means what? 10% means 10 upon 100. So that is equal to 0.1. So 1.1, 1 plus 0.1 raised to n. N is what? 5. Minus 1. The whole upon R. Pay attention everyone. R into 1 plus R raised to n. 1 plus 0.1 raised to 5. This is what we will be doing. Okay. So 5,000 into this will become what? 1.1 raised to 5. Everyone do it first. 1.1 raised to 5. What are you getting? 1.1 raised to 5. Let me see in the comment section. What are you getting? 1.1 raised to 5. How to do this? Type 1.1, then type into, then type equal to 4 times. 1 less than that. Whatever is required, 1 less than. So 4 times. 1.1 into equal to 4 times. You'll get the answer. So it is, say this, 1.1 raised to 5, 1.61 I am getting. 1.61 I am getting. Are you getting the same 1.61? Are you getting the same 1.61? So do it now. So that is equal to 1.61 over here minus 1. 1.61 minus 1. So that is equal to 0.61. So 0.61 divided by, again over here, 0.1 into 1.61. This is again 1.61. This one. So 0.61 upon 0.1 into 1.61. So do it everyone on the calci. So this will become 6.1. 6.1 upon 1.61. Get the answer. 6.1 upon 1.61. So whatever I am getting over here is, see, this answer which I am getting is, for this, only this part. This part answer I am getting is 3.79. I am getting the answer of 3.79. Okay? 3.79. So if this is 3.79, then multiply it with 5,000. So 5,000 into 3.79. 5,000 into 3.79. Are you getting this 3.79 everyone? This answer should be 3.79 because I have tried and tested this. I have checked this answer many times. So this is correct. You all must get 3.79. Type in the comment section if you are getting it. Okay? Type it everyone. $3.79. Again, I have checked it today, right now also. So 3.79, that is correct. So 5,000 into 3.79. 5,000 into 3.79. So that is equal to 18,959. 18,959. Check this. Everyone check this. 18,959. So this 18,959 is, means what? 18959 is greater than 182. See how much am I investing? 18250. So 18959 is greater than 18250. 18959 is greater than 18250. Right? Correct? So that's why I'll accept it at 10%. I'll accept it at 10%. But what are the options? Look at this. Accept it at 10, accept it at 12, accept it both 10 and 12. Now this is confusing. Either A is the answer or C is the answer. So that's why you'll have to check it at 12 also. Put R equals to 12 now. So P equals to 1 point. Now look at this. This was what earlier? 1.1. So now it will be 1.12. It will be 1.12 raised to 5 minus 1 divided by 0.12 into again 1.12 raised to 5. Everyone, have you understood this? It is same formula. 1 C into 1 plus R raised to n minus 1 upon R into 1 plus R raised to n. Same formula. Okay? So 5000 into 1.12 raised to 5 minus 1 upon 0.12 R into 1.12 raised to 5. Get the answer. So this is what? 1.12 raised to 5. Give me the answer. What are you getting? 1.12 raised to 5. Again, use the same logic. 1.12 into equal to 4 times. Whatever is required, 1 less than that. Okay? So what are you getting? 1.12 into equal to how many times? 4 times. You require it 5 times? Correct. So do it 4 times. So I am getting it 1.76. I am getting this as 1.76. See, 1.12. 1.12 raised to 5. So I am getting it as 1.76. I am getting this as 1.76. Are you also getting it? 1.76. Everyone? Are you guys also getting it? 1.76. All of you must get this. 1.76. Are you getting it? So, now, this 1.76, write it over here. 1.76 minus 1 upon 0.12 into 1.76. Do this calculation. So, this will be what? 1.76 minus 1. Okay? So, minus 1. So, that is equal to 0.76. 0.76 divided by 0.12. Everyone check this. You have to do it yourself. Divided by 0.12. So, you are getting it as 6.3 over here. 6.3. Okay? 6.3. 6.3 divided by, again this 1.76. 6.3 divided by 1.76. So you must get it as 3.609 or 3.61. 3.609 or 3.61. Anything is okay. Okay? So multiply this 5000 into 3.61. 5000 into 3.61. So what are you getting? What are you getting? I am getting it as 18047. 18047. Now this is less than 18250. My present value, whatever I am investing, and the present value of the funds. So whatever I am getting in the present value is less than whatever I am investing. So I will not accept it. So I will reject it at 12% and accept it at only 10%. Accept it at only 10%. Kindly note this. I will reject it at 12% and accept it at only 10%. See, this is a quite difficult numerical because it's a iteration based numerical. You have to do the iteration for 10%, 12%, everything. Very important numerical from your exam point of view also. Kindly note. Because in exam also such numericals would be asked to you. So now everyone, kindly note. The new batch of Adda 24/7 for CAIIB is starting on 23rd. Okay, this 23rd. Don't miss this. Okay, look at this. Officers Pro batch. It's starting from 23rd of Jan. All the important points are covered over here. Detailed batch. Complete, all the details are covered. All the subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Don't miss this batch. It's a detailed batch over here. And now, hardly 4-5 months are remaining. Right? So join it ASAP. E-books, mock tests. Mock tests are full length as well as chapter wise. Both of them are there. Full length mock tests are same as that of your paper, main paper. So join it ASAP. Also, I would suggest you should join the Mahapack. Increment Mahapack of CAIIB. Very important one. Hear this. Right now, double validity offer is going on. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. Double validity offer. Don't miss this. Plus, this discount part is already there. What is the discount part? Look at this discount part. Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. Kindly remember the code. Y432. Very important code. This will give you the discount of, look at this, 79%. Plus 1% extra by downloading the app. So 80% discount you will be getting. Don't miss this chance. In Increment Mahapack, you get physical question banks delivered at your home. Physical question banks. Physical formula banks delivered at your home. Study planner, how to study. Detailed planning analysis is given. Plus discounts are there already, which I have told you, double validity. And so don't miss this. Okay, golden opportunity. Join us up. 23rd batch is starting.